we're asked to get the integral of x minus 4 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 from 0 to 1. And so again, the first thing we must do is to check if we have to perform long division. Because in this case, the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. And so we don't have to do long division. We can immediately proceed with getting the factors of the denominator. So we can first consider the fraction x minus 4 over x squared minus 5x plus 6. Then what we want to do is we want to factorize the denominator. So you can perform yung mga techniques natin sa pagkuha ng factors na yung denominator natin ay quadratic. So we can transform this to a product of linear non-expressions or linear factors. So dapat yung product nila ay 6. So that means sila ay same sign. And dapat yung sum ay negative 5. So that would be negative 3 or x minus 3 and x minus 2. So we have x minus 4 divided by x minus 3 times x minus 2. Based sa denominator, now we have two factors, x minus 3 and x minus 2, both of which ay linear. No? So this is case 1 kung saan yung denominator or yung numerator natin, since ang denominator natin is just linear, will just be a constant. So if we're to rewrite na siya as partial fractions, we have to find a and b. Now, to remove the denominator, no, or para maging 1 na lang siya, multiply natin both sides by the denominator ng original fraction. So we'll have x minus 4 equals a times x minus 2 plus b times x minus 3. So in this case, pwedeng mag-let na lang tayo ng values for x na para makuha natin yung values ni a at saka ni b. So para makuha natin si a, pwede natin gawing 3 yung x. At para makuha naman natin si b, pwede natin gawing 2 yung x. So let x be equal to 3. So this becomes 3 minus 4 equals a times 3 minus 2. So b will now be times 0. So that's negative 1 is equal to a times 1. So a is negative 1. If we let x naman be equal to 2, then that will be 2 minus 4 equals, a will now be multiplied by 0, b times 2 times 2 minus 3, so that's negative 2 equals b times negative 1, so b is just simply 2. So from that, we can rewrite na yung ating definite integral from 0 to 1 na ng x minus 4 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 dx to the integral of its partial fractions. So from 0 to 1 as well, the bounds will not change. So a natin, we already got it as negative 1. So pwede na natin siyang ilipat dito sa a. That's negative 1 over x minus 3 dx. Plus, we got b na. It's 2. So pwede na natin ipalit kay b here. So integral of 0 to 1, 2 over x minus 2 dx. So again guys, at this point, no, it's assumed na medyo may mastery na kayo ng ibang techniques. So we can get na yung mga integral nitong partial fractions nila. Now this is negative ln x minus 3. We have to evaluate it from 0 to 1 plus 2 ln x minus 2. Evaluate it from 0 to 1. So of course, we don't write plus c anymore kasi nga this is a definite integral na bounded yung integral na hinahanap natin. So this is negative ln 1 minus 3 na minus negative ln 0 minus 3 plus 2 ln 1 minus 2 and minus 2 ln 0 minus 2. So let's simplify the answer. This is negative ln 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And then we have minus negative, so we could just make it positive, ln of negative 3. Plus 2 ln of negative 2 minus 2 ln of negative 2 as well. This first one should be negative 1 rather. To simplify the answer, we can first use laws of logarithm. The coefficient, pwede natin siyang ilagay as an exponent. So this becomes negative ln of negative 2 raised to negative 1. So that makes it negative 1 over 2. So we can now remove yung negative dito sa harap plus ln times negative 3. Plus, let's just copy, no, plus 2 ln negative 1 minus 2 ln of negative 2. So this 2 we can now combine, and this 2 we can also combine. So applying also laws of logarithms ulit, now we can get na lang yung product. So this becomes ln 1.5, now negative 1 half times negative 3. And then for the second part, that's plus 2 ln. This time it's minus, no? So we can get the ratios ng mga laman ng ln. So that becomes 1 half or 0.5. So that's ln of 1.5 plus 2 ln of 0.5. So if you approximate the answer, you can use your calculator. You will get negative 0.98 to confirm.